Alright everyone, this is your boy Fernando. Just wanted to show this. Where I live, there's this tree right here. And what's really cool about this tree is, look at that. There's a little bird's nest right there. I've heard birds there, I've heard chirping. I don't see anything there right now. But yes, there are little birds. Maybe there's an egg in there somewhere. But isn't that pretty cool? It's always nice to see nature like this, up close and personal. But yeah, just wanted to share this quick video. Who knew that in my household I now have a little family? Alright everyone, talk to you soon. Bye.